Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hailey. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make tie-dye shirts. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you my way that I use how to make amazing, colorful, vibrant tie-dye shirts. So what you need first is a plain white t-shirt, a couple of dyes. I got this as a kit at Michael's. A couple of elastics, and of course gloves so it doesn't get dye in your hands. It ended up coming with the kit. Let's get started. So first I just rinsed it under a running faucet until it was just drenched with water. After it's soaked, just start wringing it out. Once you're done wringing out all that water and it just feels damp, then you're going to proceed to the next step, which is creating that spiral effect on your t-shirt. I use a fork when I'm creating my tie-dye shirts because I think that it gives a really good tie-dye effect and a very distinct spiral. So you just twirl it until it's really tight. And then take it out, and then use your rubber bands to secure the t-shirt. Bound only by frozen memories. And there you have it, a nice t-shirt that's ready to be dyed on. Since dye is known to leave stains on everything, I just put it in our garage sink that we use when we're coming back from work and we're just dirty, and obviously you can see it's dirty, so I'm okay with using it in the sink. Make sure that when you're putting on the dye that it's a part of a section in that t-shirt and you're just pouring a bunch of that dye into that, because you do not want to leave a lot of white on your t-shirt. You want to make sure that it's colorful. Once you are done putting the desired colors that you want on your t-shirt, I like to get a plastic bag and just throw that in there so that it can sit for 6 hours, or just wait till the next day and wake up and then just rinse it out, or just throw it in the washing machine. In my opinion, I prefer the tie-dye to sit overnight so that the colors and the dye can just soak into that damp t-shirt, so that it will end up becoming really vibrant. So I take that out and I unravel all the rubber bands. And it ended up coming out amazing. Like, look at that spiral. I told you the fork idea worked. Let me know in the comments below how your t-shirt ended up coming out after using the fork method. Then I give it a rinse instead of putting it through the washer. Either or works perfectly. Then you just wring that out along the way just to get that excess tie-dye out. Now you're all done with all the rigorous work. It's time to dry it. I like to sit mine outside on the hanger and just let the sun dry it up. And there you have it, folks, an awesome tie-dye shirt. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to me. Comment below what colors you use for your shirt and tell me if this worked so that I can continue using this and you can continue using this. Hopefully this helped you. Thank you so much. Bye.